Hey guys, Dotson Guice here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I'm going to show you guys a new listing of ours. This is a Scout 425 LXF. She's a 2022 and I'd love to show it to you. Alrighty, now that we're in the cockpit of the boat, you'll see this incredible amount of space. Obviously, she's a 42-foot boat, but a very functional boat. She has dual walk-through transom doors on submarine hinges, as I like to call them. A full walk-through transom, so easy access to our triple 600 Mercury V12s. So we can hook up our shore power back here, do our engine flushing, super simple. We have dual Baitwells, independently opening, flip out aft bench seat, enough for 2 to 3. We have our systems access down below, as well as our fish boxes down below me, both port and starboard. On the aft part of our leaning post here is our summer kitchen. So we've got our pop-up grill, our Kenyan grill, and this electric. We have our wet bar, cutting board, cutlery, or storage. In this case, we've got it set up for fishing and tackle. We have bar stools, independently pivoting, right? Those store away. So just below us, we've got the cooler, and she's power actuated, and she's an insulated fiberglass cooler. Easily pops open, and then again, slides back in. We also have independently controlled button for our actuator for our rocket launchers. So if you want to load those rods nice and conveniently, rather than having to jump up on the gunwale to load them. That is a patent by Scout. It also allows us to have our integrated sunshade out the back. We have convenient access to our hardtop with an entry there. We have freshwater washdown. Our freshwater does have the hot water heater on board, so you have a hot water deck shower. We've got 110 outlets, again, that work off of our inverted grill there from Kenyan. So one of the awesome features of our cockpit, this Scout has the beach platform. So she's got a boarding ladder that extends and telescopes out the front, but also gives us an easy access with convenient drink holders to entertain for the day, whether we're jumping and swimming or if we're pulling in a fish. So a great feature from Scout. Alrighty, now that we're at the helm, you'll see this configuration is a center helm. So nice, convenient for our captain. Digital throttle and shift for Mercury, including our joystick that includes Autopilot. This particular boat has the upgraded Edson steering wheel, and this is in the carbon fiber finish. Independently controlled seats for all 3 passengers and armrest. These are heated on this nice, cool fall day, so those are nice to have today. We have our vessel view display for our Mercury, and as well as zip wakes, which are auto tabs. We have the triple 16-inch Garmins for our MDFs. This boat also has the Seakeeper, so we have our Seakeeper display up top, our redundancy switching, and as well as our solar panel controller there on the hardtop. Does have AC and heat at the helm, so again, nice today, have that heat on. We have the flip down platform, so if you need a little extra height, or if you just like to sit a little more elevated, you can so choose. You can conveniently put that away. This boat does have the second row, so we've got enough for 3 people across the back. Again, heated seats, comfortable with armrest, nice convenient place to put your feet. And then we also have storage lockers just at our feet. So those all pop out, nice convenient. We have our systems access down below to get to our Seakeeper and systems. And this boat does have the upgraded stereo system. So just below the helm there, we do have our twin subwoofers, as well as amplifiers. And this boat is all black, so we've got the matching black dash, which looks incredible with this midnight edition that we see here on the hardtop. So we'll take you down to the cabin and show you the rest. Alrighty, now that we're down in the cabin, you'll see it's rather spacious. Again, great head height, nice galley, electric cooktop there, sink, trash receptacles, storage drawers. We've got a microwave and as well as storage cabinets all throughout. We have our systems access panel there. Our keys, our main master head unit from Fusion, our refrigerator. We also have our sliding door that opens and closes to our head. So we've got electric head as well as a separate shower installed. No maintenance flooring in here, so everything can get wet but easy to clean up. Now you'll see we've got the berth set up into 2 salon couches. We've got a 32-inch smart TV behind me. We have tons of natural light, both port and starboard, with power actuated blinds to get some of that privacy. We have 110 outlets down below. We have our filler cushion for our bed. That's convenient, slides out right here. Now that we're up in the bow of the boat, you'll see we've got her set up in the sun lounge position. So this power actuated table goes down with filler cushions. It's a nice convenient place for everybody to hang out nice and comfortably. Nice high back with convenient grab rails. We have easy access to our windlass controls. as well as our standard windlass with freshwater washdown as we go up. Cup holders throughout, as well as storage lockers. We have storage underneath our forward chase lounge as well. Nice convenient little glove boxes for everybody's cell phones and wallets, as well as charging ports in there. We have our stereo remote for our Fusion stereo system up here. And on the port side, we have our controller for our power table. And that again goes all the way to the floor and as well as all the way up to a table. With our lounge seat here, nice convenient to sit up here, nice and comfortable for two. Center armrest comes down and exposes cup holders. But also I'm 6 foot for reference, so it's a very comfortable lounge. Contoured seats, great elevation as you're cruising around. We do have rod holders all throughout the boat, so if you do want to fish it, you can conveniently do that. Nice little trays down throughout the gunnel, great for putting those little knickknacks, as well as extra dock lines. Alrighty guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of our 2022 Scout 425 LXF. Again, my name is Dotson Guice from MarineMax, and I thank you for watching. Please call us at 843-747-1889 if you have any questions or like to schedule a sea trial today.